By the end of this video, you know how to attach a snap hook, also known as a Musketon hook, to a line with a simple knot that is very strong and will only get tighter after it's been loaded. We start by putting the working end through the attachment point of the Musketon hook. Next, we form a loop by laying the working end of the rope over the standing part. Now we hold the point where the ropes cross over each other, so they stay in place. Next step in attaching the snap hook is forming two loops around the first loop with the working end of the rope. A simple trick that might help you is winding the rope around your index finger. By doing this, the loops stay open and in place. It also will make it easier to finish the knot later on. Alright, the final step. Take the working end and put it through the two loops. You can use your index finger as a guide here. Now we pull the knot tight. It is basically a loop, so the knot can slide on the standing part of the rope.